Hello everyone. I apologize for the writing, but I was working on the modeling, data modeling, and I saw how the knowledge of data structures and big O notation might be useful. And I was like, so let me just share this. So this user model basically takes in a couple of data, first name, last name, password, birthday, and friends. Think about a social media app like Facebook, basically modeling for something like that, right? So user can add friends, and then I was thinking, how should the friends be um added to that user? Like what should be the relation between the user and their friends, right? Their friends are also other users. And I thought that one, we could store the user ID to in an array in a friend's property basically. So the friends of a user, for instance, let's assume your friends will be stored as an ID in an array. Or I also considered an object, and the objects will just have the user ID as key, and then there'll be a boolean of whether true or false. True will represent that they are friends, and false will represent that they are not friends. And either of these two work, and the simplest way to do this is using the array, right? Because it's just as easy as pushing the user ID to the array, to the friends array, right? But what if you want to find all the friends of a user? Or you want to find if a particular user is a friend of another user. So let's assume user X is a part of the friends of this person, and I want to remove user X. To remove user X from this array, I have to first find user X amongst all of the friends of this array. That will mean I'm looping through the entire friends of this user. And you know how Facebook works, you can have hundreds and thousands of friends. So basically this is going to take an O of n time to find user X among this friends ID. But if we stored it in an object form, then it can be easy as finding if user X is an object, right? Is an object key in this friendship array. And if it's true, then I can just as easily change this boolean to false. But that's going to be an O of one operation if it's an object, right? So yeah, that was one trade-off, because I was wondering, should I save it as an array or an object, and I decided to go with an object because of the um time complexity when I have to find and remove a friend from the user model.